Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best sea scooters. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Sea Doo Sea Scooter. The excursion season is sort of over, but it's by no means too overdue to gift your younger scuba divers with something they love, particularly once they're into water sports. This Sea Doo Sea Scooter is probably an exceptional present on your youngsters and younger scuba diving aspirants. It is lightweight, that makes it an awful lot less complicated for the divers to cruise underwater. This sea scooter is preferably used for snorkeling and shallow scuba diving. It makes exploring easy, interesting, and safe at the identical time. It has an intensity variety of 65 ft and a speed of 2 miles according to our. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Doo GTI Sea Scooter. Did you ever wish to revel in the charming sceneries of the Sea Doo has some other sea scooter to offer with the GTI unit? It is lightweight just like the Maximum Sea Doo scooters. Apart from scuba divers, water lovers, adventurous snorkelers, children, and novices can also experience this cool underwater experience. It offers a speed up to 25 miles in line with our with an intensity range of 100 feet, and if the batteries are charged, it can pass up to 2 hours of amusing and exciting water journey. At number 3, we have the Sea Doo Aqua Ranger Sea Scooter, new mount for GoPro. If you need to wander the tremendous blue waters and capture every breathtaking view, then the Sea Doo Aqua Ranger Scooter should be the scuba diving friend you're searching out. It comes with a mount for GoPro that lets you to document your underwater revel in, but do recognize that is designed for snorkeling and shallow scuba diving. So, you may cruise the waters without going over the intensity variety of 30 toes. It offers a maximum velocity of 25 miles per hour and a run time of 1 hour. You can genuinely experience every minute and second underneath, and to make it safe to use, it's miles designed with safety grille, vehicle shutoff, and twin trigger operation. At number 2, we have the Doo Dolphin Sea Scooter. The sea scooter that ranks first on our listing is likewise from Sea Doo. If you observe, the features are quite just like the previous scooter on the second one spot. It is lightweight, has a depth variety of 15.5 toes, and additionally appropriate for kids 8 and above. The striking colorations make it plenty cooler and simpler to discover while exploring underwater, if the batteries are fully charged. It is able to last up to 1.5 hours with a velocity of 2 miles mph. You and your youngsters will honestly have endless fun underwater, whether you're in a pool, lake, or out within the ocean. And finally, at number 1, we have the Doo-SD15002-RS2 Underwater Sea Scooter. Sea Doo gives large options for underwater sea scooters, and in case you want to swim through the tremendous ocean with a Sea Doo scooter, you could start off with the SD15002-RS2. You can carry it underwater up to the intensity range of 40 meters or 130 toes, the secure depth range for scuba diving, especially for leisure divers and snorkeling enthusiasts. Beginners and young divers can take benefit of its easy underwater experience as it's miles lightweight yet effective and dependable. The run time is 75 mins with a most accelerate to 370 mph. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about the sea scooters, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.